electrical contractors, electricians, electrical consultants, architects, all who are involved in designing the electrical requirements of a building, they should all believe that they are the kind of people who everybody else is trusting, and based on their recommendation, they are going ahead and installing and living in that home with that electrical design. So they must understand the importance and give advice such that the safety is never compromised of the end customer, because that is on their conscience. Finolex has been around for 60 years. We are the pioneers in the wire and cable industry. When you look at the product range in wire and cable, house wiring is the largest product. The reason the quality of the wire is important is because in electrical side, safety is very important and is directly linked to quality. So Finolex always manufactures products with the best quality in mind, and the quality decides the life of the wire and as well as the protection it can give to the end customer. In India, there is the organized sector and the unorganized sector. So the organized sector is generally following the standards. So you have Indian ISI standards. Most of the brands will follow the ISI standards. The unorganized sector will try and cut the cost, not follow the standards, put lower dimensions, may use substandard copper and PVC, non-virgin materials. So all that has an impact on quality. So my recommendation is for the end consumer, buy only the good brands, because you will be safer by buying from those companies. The unorganized sector does not follow any standards. They will make the wire look the same, but the quality is not the same. So for example, if you use scrap copper, scrap PVC, you can keep the same dimensions. The end customer does not understand. He feels that this is fine. Sometimes I've seen in the market, they will keep it even thicker than the normal material. And they will try and tell the end consumer, look, this is going to be even better because ye mota hai, this is more protection. Mota doesn't mean more protection. The quality of the insulation means more protection. So standards, ISI is doing a very good job. They have a standards committee. They involve various companies, people in there. Even our company has a representation in the ISI standards. So we bring the latest standards, what's happening internationally, the changes that are happening, and they revise the standards. So standards is not the problem. The country has got good standards and they set it right. It's the implementation of the standard in terms of like the unorganized sector. So if that's going on in the country, what the decision makers have to do is kind of come down heavily on these people who are cheating and stop that, because the end consumer is getting fleeced in the process. That's the best that I think decision makers can do. Copper is very important. I think cost-wise and in terms of what one needs for conducting electricity is the ideal medium. Of course, there are other options. So, aluminum is an option. But if you use aluminum for carrying the same current capacity, you have to use a larger diameter, which would mean a larger insulation diameter, and the buildup of the cable goes up. So whether it's PVC, steel, all those cost rises. So when you look at cost effectiveness, copper is a better medium in terms of transmission, and eventually in the overall cable cost it comes down, though it's more expensive than aluminum. So I would always prefer to design our products around copper, but it's not the only thing that plays a role. The insulation also plays a role. So the type of insulation, in most of the case nowadays is PVC, but there are many types of insulations we use and manufacture based on the product. So the type of insulation and the quality or the compound formulation plays another role. So together they will play a role in terms of providing the best movement of electricity and the safest way to transport it. When we look at the trends of wire and cable going forward, the most important is to adhere to the standards. So ISI has certain standards. Uh, People like Finolex not only adhere to ISI standards, but we exceed the ISI standards. So yes, standards are important. Then mindset, training of those people, understanding what they're buying is important. And the trends are where, Finolex has been training, let's say, the influencers, and electrician is an influencer to the end consumer. So we train the electricians all over India in different states. We show them the manufacturing facilities, explain to them the quality and why they should be talking about quality and giving the right advice to the end consumer. So these kind of trends are there, which will help going forward. But installation is also another important thing. It's not just buying the right product. So Finolex has made an app and hosted it, where all the electricians or electrical contractors, consultants can look at that app, and you can design depending on the load. The app will help you design the right wire. So you should never undersize the conductor which is being used and save money, because you never know in what point of time how much load you're going to put on that particular wire, and it should not cause an issue and danger to the end customer. So from our side, we are doing all we can in terms of manufacturing a good product, adhering and exceeding standards, training people, and imparting knowledge so that even the installation is done in a very good and effective way.